Hey Beppets, welcome to week 12.
Beppets?
Yes. I made myself some avocado toast. Zena and I just took a photo shoot. Yeah, we took a photo shoot and then we ate some pizza and now we're just laying here chilling. How are you, Zena?
I'm great.
Today I had lunch with Brittany and then I did some homework and then Zena came over.
50 cents.
Happy Easter. Hallie and I just did an Easter egg hunt and it's all money. How's that going for you, Hallie?
Great. 50 cents.
Wow. It is Monday morning and I already want it to be the weekend. I'm just tired. Alright, it is Tuesday. Yesterday I kind of just like came home and passed out. So, sorry for not updating you then. Okay, I've been coughing so much. And I think it's allergies because I don't really like feel sick in any other way, but like, I don't know, because like my head hurts now, but I think my head hurts from coughing. You school. How was your day? Good? Yes. Good. What was the highlight of the day?
What is this for?
Vlog.
Oh, highlight of my day was eating candy
Ooh.
and sleeping in between school and dance.
Ooh. What was the low light of your day?
The entirety of school.
Good morning. It is Wednesday. I just have to say, like, it's been so nice this week because I've actually been waking up because it's light out. So like when my alarm goes off, I'm actually like, oh, okay, like it's time to wake up. I don't want to do school. My ASL teacher, I love her to death. She's so sweet. But like whenever she gives us homework, which isn't very often, thank goodness. But whenever she does give us homework, she doesn't tell us about it, she just writes it on the board. So, you know, every day I come into class, I check the board. Of course, Monday, I just forgot to check the board. Come in Tuesday, everybody's turning in their homework. And I'm like, oh. And she marks it off for every day it's late. So, yeah. But it's okay because I did it and I'm turning it in today. I feel bad. I have nothing to vlog.
I have to find it.
Okay, I'm here with Haley. She's about to show me a cringy video of us, apparently.
I have to find it though because
Okay.
I'm slow.
You
like
him?
Jaden Smith, and then
Yes.
I told someone that Bethany liked Jaden Smith, and she cried.
It was
really
when I was
dramatic.
7. It was really traumatizing. We were in our
Yeah,
dance class.
she
And
told me-
she told the mean girl that I liked Jaden Smith.
I know I have it in here.
It was during a water break. I remember the situation very clearly.
I was like, I told someone, and then Bethany freaked.
I was like, Haley!
They're like, Haley, why did you do that? So hey guys, I'm Haley. You probably did not see me, but me and Bethany go way
back. She was literally my first friend when we moved here to Washington when I was 7.
And you already know, I want to start a vlog channel, but I'm too scared and insecure.
You should do it. I'm insecure too, but here I am.
Okay, I swear if I don't find this, I'm gonna be so mad because it's literally so funny.
Here, we'll pop.
At the time, there was 3 girls. One of them was really bossy and thought she was perfect. One of them thought that junk food was healthy. Junk food, great. One of them, and me, well, I'm the best out of all of them.
Oh my god.
Well, we're going to audition tomorrow for the best singers in the world. 1, 2, 3, baby!
Oh, it's so loud.
And audition. Other day, I was like, good night. It's audition day. Ready? We're ready.
Dude, why was I such a camera hog?
Good job, guys. Next. So when I was
Oh my God,
a
please.
girl, I said like. Next. Like a dynamite, 'cause I told you once, now I told you twice. Next. Next. 3 Musketeers are winners. Yay! To be continued.
I just got exposed. Yes.
I like legitimately, as you were playing that, I was remembering that memory. That's very nostalgic.
And I was like, hey guys, it's me. And I was like, don't mind them. I'm the best, you know. I give so much.
Hey! Are you having fun? Can you say happy birthday to Haley and Lauren?
Happy birthday, Haley and Lauren.
Hey!
Right through. Ooh, baby, won't you take it back? Say you were trying to make me laugh, and nothing has to change today. I didn't mean to say I love you. I love you, and I don't want to. Ooh. Hey, so I went to youth group and stuff, and then I came home and took a shower, and like now I'm ready to go to bed. It's been a pretty good day. I mean, it's been fine. It's just been like, I took a nap, which was good, but like I just am so tired. I just like don't want to go to school tomorrow, but it's fine. One of my classes, we've just been watching a movie in all week, my history class, so like we haven't had to really do anything, which is really nice. Oh, there's a disgusting shadow on my face. Fine, I'll sit up. School's just not fun, but I just feel like it's dragging on and on and on and on and on. But it's so close to being over, and I'm just like, please, 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 please. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Good night. Okay, it is Thursday morning. Oh gosh. Someone just drove past like blasting Billie Eilish, and never have I seen such a mood. Do you guys ever wear those half socks that just like, because I'm wearing Vans, right? And they just fall down every 2 seconds while you're walking. I hate it. What's up, Hannah? I like your hat. Yeah, I know. It's pretty cute. Hi, everyone. Today has been pretty good. I went to school, then after school hung out with Aislinn, then like after that went straight to dance. And dance was okay. Acro was like really fun, but then I kept like having coughing attacks and dying, so I decided to come home. And then I took a bath, and I've been like editing pictures, which is just really fun. I was playing around with that, just kind of chilling. And I haven't had a chill night in a while, so it's pretty good. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to tomorrow because it's Friday. Not looking forward to school though. I have a quiz in algebra and in biology, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm excited to see Endgame tomorrow. That will be fun with youth group. Good morning. It's finally Friday. It looks really pretty outside. It's sunny. It's not too freezing, so overall it's a great morning. I have a quiz in algebra and a quiz in biology today. I like couldn't fall asleep last night because I kept coughing. It's like I don't even think I'm sick. I'm pretty sure I just have allergies, but it's like I'm gonna give myself bronchitis, I think, because I keep coughing. We just finished Endgame. Not a good time. A great time. A sad time. Okay, I just got back. It's like 11 and oh my gosh, I can't get my shoe off. Endgame was good, but it was definitely a crowd pleaser and spoke to the crowd's emotions. Now I just kind of have to edit my vlog and then sleep. But okay, I have a rant. I swear I drive like 20% of my life. Like that 20% is just driving now. And I have to say, a playlist gets pretty old after driving and listening to it for like 4 months. So I need a new playlist. And if you guys have any song suggestions, please put them in the comments because I'm desperate and I need to just have some good bops, you know? It's been a pretty good week overall. I think I was just so excited for this weekend. So I'm hoping this weekend will continue to be fun. I just feel so ready for school to be over. Like, I feel like it's gonna happen anytime now. And I think time's just gonna fly and we're gonna be there. But I'd like it sooner rather than later. But yeah, overall it's been a pretty positive week. Got into chamber. I'm second chair of the second violin, so not too bad. And yeah, it's, I know I didn't do a lot this week to vlog, but thank you for watching anyways. Come back next week for more. Please comment, or still, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Love you, Beppits.